Alright, what's going on, Goblin Gang? Welcome back to the Goblin Gang channel. And today we're going to be installing this part. It's like where the headlights go in, also where the bumper attaches to right here. As you can see right there, it's cracked, well, broken off right there, and right here is another broken off piece. So we're going to go ahead and replace this. The part just came in just now. And yesterday we went ahead and installed this. What do you call it? We had to go get the battery charged because it was completely dead. But well, it started last night, but this morning it didn't want to start, so the battery was completely dead. And honestly, it's gonna be hard to let this alternator charge the battery itself, being that we're not driving this car on the street right now. But if you ever change the alternator, best thing to do is just drive it around, let the alternator charge up the battery, and after it's charged up, battery lights off and everything, then you're all good. But now it's time to go ahead and open this box, make sure everything's looking good. Alright, now there's the new piece, and like every other piece that you order, which is aftermarket, make sure it's the exact same as the old one. I know I made the mistake with the serpentine belt. We tried to put it on and I didn't even compare it to the old one, and the one they gave me was too short. So yeah, always remember to check and make sure it's the exact same thing. I've already checked it, so first things first, we're gonna have to take out that light and then remove this whole piece. Seems that there's only 2 bolts here. I think there's another 2 bolts somewhere around here. So 2 bolts in the corner, 2 bolts in this corner, and the same thing will be on the other side. So let's go ahead and remove the light bulb and remove the whole plastic piece. Alright, and there's the bolts right there on this side, and we're using a 5/16. You can see it right there. Not focusing. 5/16. So let's go ahead and take this off. Alright, now got all the bolts out. So all I need to do, well, first thing, all the cables for the lights, just push them back, like that one right there, push it back. Yeah, push all the cables back and then just pull it off, just like that. I'm gonna set this over here. And there we go, that's what we're working with now. Alright, now we got it in place. Everything's even. So what we're gonna do is just gonna go ahead and start with one bolt up here. And then the other one at the bottom. Go ahead and get a wrench. Alright, so there it is. You just want a little snug, and you want to make sure you can get everything, all the other bolts in, and then that's when you go back and tighten them even more. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one.